In this tutorial, I will show you how to easily transform a natural glowy look into a beautiful wow evening look with red lips. For the transformation to the red lips look, I use the soft lip liner and the silky matte lipstick in the color Pure Red. I start by tracing the natural lip contours as precisely as possible from the outside in. Don't worry if the edges towards the inside are not perfectly precise. I then spread the color with a brush on the inside of the lips, which also extends the longevity of the lipstick. After tracing the lip contours and blending the lip liner inwards, I start by applying the silky matte lipstick. I prefer to use a brush for this to work as precisely as possible. After applying the lipstick, I touch up any fine imperfections with the soft lip liner. Last but not least, I apply the lipstick once more and I've created a super cool red lips look. And the best thing about this color is that it really suits every skin tone.